Rho Sigma Omega Honor Club Induction. As the host school of the Society and the Alpha Chapter, this is the first induction of many for the students here at the Upper School. Rho Sigma Omega is a national STEAM honor society that empowers students to learn across 5 disciplines: science, technology, engineering, art, and math. With this holistic approach to learning, students are able to learn with both the left and right sides of their brain at once. The difference between Rho Sigma Omega and other societies is the learning approach. Rho Sigma Omega pushes students to lead their own education. Student-led education allows students to take responsibility for their own learning and grow leadership skills for the future. Rho Sigma Omega also encourages project-based courses. Hands-on active learning is more fun, increases retention, and develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Rho Sigma Omega also pushes for collaboration and problem-solving. Being able to solve problems with a group helps develop lifelong skills that creates leaders for tomorrow. Now, Ryan Smith will talk about what Rho Sigma Omega crest and symbols mean.
The crest of Rho Sigma Omega has 2 parts, the bee and gears. The bee is a problem solver and builder. Bees build and work together to build, and they each have a role to play and understand that groups get more done than individuals. When an obstacle is encountered, bees do not get frustrated, but rather keep working together to solve the problem. A gear shows constant work and determination. When a gear is moving, it works with other gears to power a mechanism, such as a steam. Now Jordan Bowen will talk about what the Rho Sigma Omega colors symbolize.
The 3 colors of Rho Sigma Omega each have meaning: green, white, and black. Green is for balance, the balance between mental and physical. Not only think, but do. Being able to come up with ideas and thoughts and then implement them with your own hands. White is the strive for perfection. Though nothing is perfect, we strive to find a better way, continually asking questions to improve. Black symbolizes power and intelligence. Being able to solve problems, create, and have the ability to excel in STEAM is powerful. Being able to use previous knowledge and implement new thoughts and ideas is a valuable skill. Now, Dylan Hunt will talk about Rho Sigma Omega pillars.
Rho Sigma Omega has 3 pillars. The first is application, use of STEAM in other classes. STEAM is a wide-ranging area that can be covered in nearly any class, club, sport, event, or project. An integrated interdisciplinary approach that builds connections to fine arts, language arts, and all sciences. This also addresses the needs of a wide range of abilities, learning styles, and personal interests. The second is motivation. The students should show intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, the ability to motivate not only with reward, but from inherent satisfaction. The inherent ability to know that you solved the problem. The third is experience. Students use hands-on learning to elevate academic performance. Hands-on learning allows students to be stimulated in the learning process, have real-world experiences, develop critical thinking skills, and learn more material when using a hands-on approach. Now Carson Martin will tell her thoughts on STEAM.
What does STEAM mean to me? STEAM is not only a time to discover and learn new ideas or concepts, but to grow as a person. Throughout my 11 years at Oakwood, there hasn't been a class quite like this one. Every day, I look forward to walking into this lab and wondering what I'm going to learn. STEAM has allowed me to be my own teacher, set my own pace, and make my own goals. The structure of the lab allows me to express myself in a way that no other class has. STEAM has taught me that you are capable of whatever you put your mind to. Whether that's organizing an upper school advisory Olympics or building a hydraulic arm, anything is possible. Not only have I grown and developed as a person, but seeing my fellow classmates do the same has been a pleasure to witness. STEAM is the only class where mistakes are okay, because then you figure out what went wrong, do some analytical and creative thinking, and fix the problem. Learning from your mistakes and continuing to persist in problem solving is perhaps one of the most important lessons I have learned. Now Mr. Quinnell will call the newly inducted members to be courted and receive their RSO pins.
stand up and get photos.